Somehow you're holding on, days are gone, just because it's
Right, religion children, no stereotype. Where you go, by the this time. Sing this song. All day! Yeah, 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 yeah! All day!
See you in the director's chair.
That's what he does to you now. Okay guys, we're going to play one more before we say good night and God bless, and I hope you've all enjoyed yourself. We are the Caribbean Breeze all the way from Sunny Leeds. Have we had a good evening so far? Yeah. Good night and God bless. Caribbean Breeze. Everybody sing it. Ole, 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 ole. Party people all around me feeling hot, hot, hot. What to do? What a time like this? Music sweet. We can't resist. Yeah, he need a party song. We never know we need a carpenter, give it a carpenter, give it a carpenter. Ra-ba-ba-ba, 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 ra-ba-ba-ba. Let me take a little single. When the one time is just that. Come on. La la bum bum. Come on. Vaya. Despacito. Despacito. La bamba. La bamba. La bamba. La bamba. La bamba. La bamba. What?
Measuring the queue.
No, I'm not measuring the queue. I'm not going back in that queue.
Oh, yeah. It's funny that. Neither am I.
Right, well, the only thing I can say about this event was, I mean, I've enjoyed every minute. I've just got back to the van now. It's just starting to go dark. And it goes for miles. By all accounts, there's over 500 vans here, right? And Woolly Cods and myself went down the far end, and he filmed me on his 360 camera, and I rode the bike through. And right, this is just half of it. The event is right in the middle of the runway, but there's this many vans the other side of the event as well. And when he filmed me going through, my speedo on the bike said 2.1 miles long. 2.1 mile. It's an awful lot of vans. As I say, my only gripe over it was 500 vans. When they opened the event, right, we queued up at the main gate, which is right over there. You can see the cars over in the background there, right? They made us queue right the way around the outer skirts, right? And at the far end, they had one camera woman, right? And they took a picture of every van. That's 500 vans ticking over for an hour and 3/4, just creeping forward slowly, right? That was an awful lot of fuel just for their vanity of taking a picture of every van. Every van's here. They could have walked up and took a picture of every van when they wanted to, whenever they wanted to. Yeah, it would have taken them a longer than the hour and 3/4 it took us to get through, but there, I mean, I was midway up the queue. You know, there was hundreds behind me. Right, the other one was, yeah, it's an airfield. We flew drones last year. It was the drones that made the convoy worth watching, right? And they've not permitted drones this time. You know, I've paid my insurance. I've paid for my licensing, right? And we weren't allowed to fly them. That's my two major gripes. Yeah. If there's no drones again next year, shan't be coming.